Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. Long story short, I created this channel to show you can cook in small spaces and have a great time doing it. All you need is love, happiness, and your heart and soul. I want to inspire you to make great memories in your tiny kitchen. So please join me to like, subscribe, share with all your family and friends to be part of my Tiny RV Cooking family. So today we're making enchilada soup and chicken bacon quesadillas. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. The enchilada soup you can make in your crock pot or your Instant Pot. I'm making it in a crock pot today. Enchilada soup is made by Seeking Good Eats. I'll leave a link down below where you can find this great recipe. And the chicken bacon ranch enchilada is made by Spicy Kitchen. I'll leave a link down below where you can find this great recipe. Let's get started. It's now time to get our soup started. We're going to put this in a slow cooker for 6 to 8 hours. So I'm going to add my chicken tenders. You can use chicken breasts, whole ones, and thighs. I just happen to have chicken tenders. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I put 7 chicken tenders in here. And I put pretty good size. So we just lay those on. You can make homemade enchilada sauce. I haven't been able to make a really good one yet. When I do, I'll remake this recipe with homemade, but we're going to use canned. I only can find 19 ounces. You're supposed to use 28, but mine is a 4-quart slow cooker, so I'm using 2 19 ounces. My mind's not here all this morning. Oops. So it's supposed to be 28 ounces. I had 2 19 ounces, so I'm taking out some of the chicken. I'm taking out some of the enchilada sauce. We don't want that much. So I'm taking out about a half a can. That looks right. Then we need to put 24 ounces. Oh, excuse me. We need to put 24 ounces of chicken broth. So this is 24 ounces in here. I basically prep my food for the whole week, so everything is measured out. Well, except for the enchilada sauce. So 24 ounces of chicken stock. Just pour that right in. We're going to add our lid. And we're going to slow cook this. Let me see if I can move you back. We're going to slow cook this on low. Okay, low? Yeah. We're going to slow cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours. I have to go to work today, so this will be perfect. I'll come back and have dinner and finish my video up. I'll see you in 6 to 8 hours. It's been 6 hours. We're going to check it, see if our chicken is done and ready to be shredded. So we're going to pull it out. It's definitely ready to be shredded, so we're going to shred our chicken, then we're going to add it back to our pot. If you don't like shredded chicken, you can definitely chop this chicken. Leave that all. Move this aside and get different cutting mat. So you see? Okay. We're just going to take our chicken and we're going to shred it up. I don't want mine too fine, so mine's is just going to be basically a I don't want too fine, so it's going to be a large shred. So on the chunky side. Okay, I'm going to add the last of it back to my crock pot. To our slow cooker, we're going to add softened cream cheese. I'm using cream cheese that has jalapeno in it already. Give it a little extra spice. Stir that in. Green salsa verde. I think I'm saying it right. You want 4 ounces of this. One cup of cream. We want to make sure that cream cheese is mixed in all the way. Then we're going to add our cheese. Two cups of Monterey Jack cheese, shredded. And mix this in. We're going to put this aside until all of the cheese is melted. While we're waiting on the cheese is melted, we're going to make our quesadillas. We're going to make the mixture for our chicken bacon ranch. I have 1 cup of chicken in here, and I'm going to add cream cheese to mine. So I have a good sized dollop of, sorry, you can't see it, a good sized dollop of cream cheese that has jalapeno, just to give it a little extra kick. I didn't want to add green chilies personally. We're going to put 3 tablespoons of ranch. I think I would do 2.5. That looks about good for me. And you're going to want 3 strips of bacon chopped. That's 3 strips of bacon, and we're going to give it a good mix. I'm going to turn on my frying pan just to warm it up while I'm still mixing. Okay, we're going to put this aside. You're going to need 2 tortillas, 1 for the top, 1 for the bottom. We're going to just put a good size mixture on it and rub it in. Reminds me of chicken salad for our quesadillas. We're going to add Mexican cheese. I have Kobe Jack and pepper jack cheese mix. We're going to put the top on. Just squish it down a little so we can flatten it out. To our frying pan, you want a non-stick for this. We're going to add a pat of butter. I think a pat is a little more enough for me. So I'm going to take some out. Turn it down. I don't want it burned. We're going to add our tortilla. And we're cooking it in the butter. Put a lid on. When one side is crispy, we'll flip it and we'll do the other side. Our cheese is completely melted. We're going to pull it out, put on a mat. Look at that cheese coming out. Looks delicious. My serving platter. And time to dish the soup up. Definitely cheesy. Going to garnish it with a little bit of cilantro and a little cilantro on top of our quesadillas, just to give it some color. We're going to put adult cream cheese first, then we'll do our onions. Just a dollop right there in the middle. Now we'll add some of our green onions. And it's time to dish up. It looks amazing and it smells amazing. Can't wait to try it. And now finally the best part. We get to try our chicken enchilada soup with our chicken bacon ranch quesadillas. It smells amazing. It looks amazing. I can't wait to try it. Let's give it a taste. First, the soup. Mmm. 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 It's really good. You can definitely taste. It tastes like a creamy enchiladas, but in soup form. So good. Let's try our bacon ranch chicken quesadillas. That's a mouthful. Really good. Excuse my coughing. I can't seem. It's been told now. It's asthma. I just have to wait till the asthma season's over. But it's so good. One more bite. Dip it in my soup. Mmm. 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 Slow. Mmm. So good together. The quesadillas are a little bit spicy. The chicken, the saltiness of the bacon, so good with a little bit of spice from the jalapeno cream cheese I put in. You're supposed to use like cream cheese and green onions or jalapenos, but I did jalapeno cream cheese. It's so easy for me. And the soup with just the creaminess of the green enchilada sauce, they go perfect together. This is a definite must try. Great together. It is raining where I live, so this is a great warm meal for today. And I was able to start it, go to work, come home and eat. This is perfect. Thank you for coming to our Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Leave a comment down below if you made any of these great recipes. Leave a comment down below which you'd like to see me make in my tiny kitchen. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!